Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. In front of you here we have a massive box. Just for some size comparison, that's a 777 right there. So you can kind of tell how big this box is. I'm 90% sure what's in this box, but I'm not 100%. So let's open this thingy up. Massive box. But yeah, this is a massive box, so we'll open it up. If this is the order that I'm thinking it's from Jetway models. They're pretty good. I haven't had any trouble with them. And yeah, I ordered this probably 3 to 4 months ago, but with pre-orders and stuff. So yeah, here we open the box up. I'm gonna try and save the best for last. Which one is this? Bear with me here. So, first off, we have the Gemini Jets United Embraer 175, the new livery. There should be 2 of those in here. So yes, this is the order I thought it was. So very excited. Let's see. Save this one for later. Alright, here's our second Embraer 175. Next we have the Gemini Jets United A319 in the new livery. Super excited to have this one. Probably gonna get another one. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, we have the NG United 757 in the California Her Art livery. Super stoked to get this, and I've seen a lot of people unbox this, but I haven't seen is its twin, the NG model Her Art New York here, in the New York livery. Okay, I'm super excited to get all 5 of these models, but we'll start in order of the coolness factor. So first we have the United Express Embraer 175 operated by SkyWest. The paper. And yeah, here it is. So I already have one of these. I ordered 2 at one time, and then I ordered the other one after. But due to the pre-orders for the Her Arts, they didn't come. The first one I ordered later came a week after I ordered it, and these came 4 months. So I mean, nothing that Jetway models did. Go check them out, give them some love. But yeah, not any fault of their own. But yeah, we have the United Express Embraer 175. If you want to see the full review on this one, go check out my Air New Zealand 777 unboxing. That came with this, or my first one was in there. So yeah, go check that out. But other than that, we'll move on. Next we have the United Airbus A319 in the new livery. Also really excited to have this one. I was really wanting it to come a little bit sooner, but it was worth the wait. So here's the model. It looks amazing. Gemini Jet's really stepping up to the plate. Neither of the ERJs were broken, and this makes a third that was not broken. It should never come broken, but they are getting better at their quality. And yeah, this is a pretty pretty stunning. The amount of improvement that they've put in over the last few months, but we'll go down into details. Starting off, we got the nose cone there. Cockpit windows look great. The little red Airbus thingy that's on all of them. Star Alliance logo. Boarding door. Got the landing gear, looks great. United titles are good. The engines are great. The fence tip winglets. Wi-Fi box, all antennas are intact. Tail looks great. Love the United livery on these 319s and 320s. And now for the most anticipated part of the video, we have the NG Her Art liveries. So, personally, I really like the California one livery, or California one. This ain't Southwest. The Her Art California one, just because I kind of have a connection with California, you know, like I go there almost every year. The New York one is stunning as well, but I think just saved the New York one for last since no one's really seen it yet. We'll start with the California one. So, open her up. Looks great. They started putting the plastic on both sides now, which is kind of interesting. I hate these foam things. I always take a pocket knife and kind of make it bigger so I don't have to break it every time, because they're tight, man, let me tell you that. Trying not to break the ailerons. And yes, this is awesome. So stunning job, awesome job by NG. This model is pretty much perfect. I think it is perfect. Yeah, definitely pick this up. The Gemini Jet one looks pretty decent too. I mean, it is a 757, which is Gemini Jet's best mold. In my opinion, well, I don't know. I kind of like Gemini Jet's version of the 757 a little bit better, but that's just my opinion. Both are 105%, but yeah, we'll go into great. Okay, this model is a beauty. Whoever designed this, they should be getting paid a lot. But starting off with the cockpit nose cone, Star Alliance logo with the sunglasses on the front, looking pretty snazzy. You got the ocean, which looks super cool. United titles, engines are great. Palm trees look amazing. Got the Golden Gate Bridge. I've been on that multiple times, and the new United tail. So yeah, I'll show you guys the bottom of it, just gray with the blue or whatever you call it with the front ocean thing. But yes, again, I would recommend getting this model. Highly recommend it. And yeah, we'll move on to the New York. Just a quick reminder, if you are enjoying this video so far, please sure to hit that like button. Also, if you're new here, I'd appreciate if you would also hit that big red subscribe button. Helps me out trying to get to 100 before the end of the year. Also, if you are watching the premiere of this, you are awesome. Now back to the unboxing. Moving right along to the New York livery edition for the Her Arts. I believe I am the second one to unbox this, so that's pretty cool. As the time of recording, but we'll open it up. Hopefully it's just as good as the California, and yeah, it looks amazing. So try not to break this one. So this one definitely has a lot more color. It's a lot more filled up. Really like the teal color. United tail looks amazing. Statue of Liberty is awesome, and then you got the New York skyline and the farmhouses. So yeah, we'll go into greater detail. Okay, so this one is another beauty. The coloring is great. The teal, there's a lot of teal. Looks pretty good. But we'll start up front. So we've got the cockpit nose cone with the windows that I don't really. That's the part where I think Gemini Jets does a better job than NG is the cockpit windows. They just kind of stick out a little bit. Then we got the boarding door with the farmhouse there for the whole rest of New York state. That is, you got the Black United titles. You've got the globe there. Engines look great. You got your newer fuel-efficient winglets, overwing exits, the Brooklyn Bridge, and you've got your New York skyline. Wi-Fi locks. Registration is November 14102, and I forgot the registration on the California one is in 14106. Yeah, amazing model. You got the Statue of Liberty with I think that's the Empire State Building right there. Yeah, United tail looks amazing. I'd highly recommend getting this if you can find it. This is another great model. Underbelly, you got the blue up there. Sorry for the shake, but yeah, a lot duller than the other one. But yeah, well, that's gonna do it for this unboxing. This greatly improves my United fleet and my overall collection in general. I can't wait to use these in an airport update. But yeah, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like and a subscription. Again, trying to get to 100 before the end of the year, and if you could help me do that, that would be awesome. Also, should have some more airport updates coming out to you. Got Louisville should be coming around soon. I'll do another SFO update probably in the next month or half month or something like that. Also, if you went to the premiere, you're awesome. Comment premiere if you did. And yeah, I want to thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.